guys, welcome to my channel. My name is ShareeLyn. Welcome to ShareeLyn on Food Etc. Today we are making a very simple, easy and quick beef stroganoff. So let's get started. So for this recipe we are using a boneless blade steak, and this is 1 pound of beef meat. I will be cutting it into small chunks or bite size. And then we're going to boil this until it goes really nice and tender. Okay, we'll just cut it up in small little pieces for now. Okay, very cool, guys. We already cut down our meat into smaller size. Then we are going to put this in a pressure cooker to cut down the cooking time. We'll be boiling this for at least 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. And we're just gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper with this for the seasoning. A spoon of salt, black pepper. And we're just gonna toast this up. We'll just wait till it starts whistling, and that's when we start timing our pressure cooker for 20 minutes. We'll be serving our stroganoff with noodles. This is egg noodles and extra boiled egg noodles. So we're just gonna cook this and then we'll serve it with this. We need bay leaf to cook our stroganoff, 1 whole white onion, at least 3 garlic cloves, and a brown creamy mushroom. This is 2 to 7 grams. We're going to slice that. And then we're also going to need heavy cream, some sour cream, a little bit of white wine, Worcestershire sauce, and some tomato paste, some paprika. So for our garlic, we're going to crush and roughly chop it into small little pieces. We're also going to just cut up our onions into small little pieces or finely chopped it. And for the mushroom, we're just gonna slice it thinly. So now we can start cooking. In a pot, we're going to pour in 2 tablespoons of oil, and then followed by chopped onion. And then we stir it a little bit and add our fully cooked sliced chunk beef. And then we'll add our garlic, minced garlic, and of course bay leaf and the mushrooms. So we're going to season it with beef knorr powder, just a tablespoon, and then we are going to stir it a little bit and let the mushroom cook through. After a few minutes of cooking our mushroom, we can go ahead and add paprika, stir it to combine, and then season it with salt and pepper according to your taste, and of course stir it again to mixed. And then we can go ahead and add our tomato paste and the sour cream and our heavy cream, and of course we are going to add a little bit of wine, at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of wine, and at least a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/4 cup of the beef broth that we cooked our beef with. Just stir it a little bit, mix it well, and then cover and let it simmer for at least 30 to 45 minutes. We don't need a longer time because we already cooked our beef. So just let it cook through, and then we're done. We're serving it with our fully cooked egg noodles, and we're going to add a little bit of cheese on top. I'm using Parmesan cheese, and it's ready to be served. So good and delicious, really quick and easy. Hope you guys love this recipe and give this a try. Thank you for watching, and see you soon again. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.